So, welcome back, viewers. So, Luton. So, basically, a day after you got the bank, the voucher from Charlie Smith, you got it from Stats?
No, me never get it from Charlie. Them some for comeback feet.
Oh, okay.
Them interested in my thing. Me not even the trainer or nothing yet. But you know the vibes when you're there, you say, yeah, me I go get you, you know. Other vibes there. So here will reach me now. I go back to Spanish Town and two of my friend them where one stop go Jonathan Grant too. Me say, yo, Charlie Smith. Alright, one was younger, one was my age. The one where my age, no bother. But you see the younger one, him, I think he get expelled from Grant for some reason. And him got Charlie. And the man graduated with 7 subjects from Charlie Smith, you know. And my grade when he graduated and I live miracle life, you know, and him wife and him children and thing.
Okay.
You see me, so it was a move, alright. You see, from I leave Jonathan and go Stats, up to now, when Jonathan Grant man, them I leave Jonathan, I Stats then go.
Okay. Well, I am willing to say,
I mean, the push start, you know.
It is my belief that if Luton Fyah was not an artist, Luton Fyah would have spent some years in professional football.
No, it don't know go nowhere. Me don't go nowhere in football. Cause me could have play and thing and me compete with some of the best man them we play football in my time on the island and play for big side. Seeing, but there was a set of man were more closer to the glory than I and I. Hundreds, about 200-300 man.
Okay.
Where Renismo see.
Okay.
You know, see me. You understand? So at my age and I say, me no have no mentor, I just me alone I get up and say me have to do this, you know. You see me? And then me become a mentor of some younger youths where it kinda like me I say, me can't have that, you know.
Okay. Alright.
Like me become a forerunner for your movement. Because enough youth after that step out in my local community.
So from Jonathan Grant to Stats became the thing.
Yeah, plus other, I mean the move maker, you know.
Alright, sir. Alright. Alright, where could you give our viewers like one of your first songs that you professionally, since we're following your track and we realize that you have decided that football isn't the thing and is more leaning towards Rastafari and music now. So around that time, because you would have still be showing your skills as far as music is concerned, wouldn't that time you recorded any songs or
yeah man, I'm a graduate 96, you know. And in 98 I record one song when named Ambassador Faja. I don't even remember the lyrics or the melody, but that's my first song that I released still. Them time that we used to stop up our Bujo studio and try to get opportunity, you know. And it was good because I done place and people stop by and sometimes we sing and people hear we. And like the vibes and things. And so now me the dead a man come and want the business, music business and thing. I took on to my vibe and we sing. That was my first release, and then my virgin now from Spanish Town, Sean Sims, cartoon, my little general. Him sit down here so and me sit down here so in the class from a little boy. But we left from Jonathan Grant. Fit him father fly in.
Okay.
You know, say my make studio and I do dub plate studio, Sapphire studio down or half a tree there so. So he used to stop by there so he introduced me to him father and him father say I'm my manager and give me guitar and carry clocks and jeans come give me and watch and you know what I mean? Make sure me have my little I try to fix up my life as an artist. So I'm like nice natty dreadlocks and thing. And then we sing a song for him, and that was my second release. That song then now me run an Anchor studio from 8:30 in the night. And Nigel was the engineer and Sprocket, the producer. Me and Sprocket artist. Mikey General come and vice and go me did me go for vice, you know. Lucian come and vice and go. Jack, you're staying a prisoner vice, then listening song for long. Jamaican Vice and the whole of the man them Vice, and then I was in the night about 2:15 then wake me. I said, wow, so your time for Vice. So we got Vice, and from a Vice that tune the world start. Listen to Luton Fyah.
So like you pay some dues, man. You pay some dues.
Yeah, man. I sit down and try get in. And remember, so we come through in the audition days, you know, where you stop and a man listen how you sing. And if him like your sound, him work with. If him like your melody, if him like how you look, you know what I mean? Cause it go with all of that. So we used to stop by and try fit in a people place. I try edging and butting a people business. Some of the time we get run, some of the time we get whole lot. What the man call me and tell me, say, I'm the big man. No, you're the big man place, and him not give you a look in. Me and say, we're not guilty of something. The world like Luton Fyah, you know, how the big man feel. Better me let me in, man. Them would like him on top of my like.
Of the songs that you have done, I'm not biased no song, but which song would you consider your favorite song?
I have a lot of favorite songs, but some of the songs that I love sing more than some. The song I love sing the most is St. Diego de la Vega.
Okay.
Even though it's only in Jamaica, I sing that song there. You know, cause nobody know that song nowhere else but Jamaica, you see me? But my favorite song for sing the rhythm and the vibes and the feeling where it give me knowing that I sing about my town. My Spanish town. Spanish town is the town where me from, you know? Yeah.
What's your process like when you're coming up with a song?
You know, I don't know. Because I have a lyrics book, I used to write, but too much things to write. So I used to jot in a corner, line, and I couldn't write out a song. Because I never learned how to write out a song, but I learned how to make up a song.
Okay.
So I just go through as a normal man, and when the rhythm come, I just reason within a melody what I did I do for the few hours. So as some of my music come, I don't really make song or think about the next song. I don't really know which me I go sing or think say I have to sing about this or sing about that. I sing about subject matters, you know, things that affect people day to day. Things that are a part of my life, things that I see with my eye, things that people come to me and cry about, things that people happy about. I sing about relationship, man and woman thing. We there and it nice, we there and it not nice, we sing about that also. You know what I mean? So it resonates with how people life go. And that's some music go, you know?
So real life inspires.
Yeah, a natural thing. Like all my songs they can call freestyle.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, natural.
Come to the man. All right. Some of the places that you have performed at, and what has been your best, your most received performance?
Well, my most received performance in my entire career is in Africa, you know.
All right.
You know, West Africa is us, I and I. I see a lot of you in West Africa, places like Gambia, Guinea, Ivory Coast, Senegal.
CM Roundhead.
Yes, CMU.
All right.
Seeing, so the vibe of the music, any given day you can pull out 15,000 people and each of them singing along the 15 songs. So that's why I feel a big joy there.
Recently I saw a video, you know, where in it they said to us as Jamaicans that when you're going to Ghana, just show your Jamaican passport, even if you're a Jamaican American.
Yeah.
Don't show the American part. Just show your Jamaican passport. Everybody just say Irie and just move it through.
Yeah, a lot of countries in Africa are like that. I think over 30 countries you can just show your passport and them say, yes, well, they say, welcome home, my brother. Welcome home, my sister. And we got a lot of countries in Africa grant us land as Jamaican and as Rastafari people who stand up for Pan-Africanism, you know. And the world normally think the entire Jamaica is a Pan-African country. Them never know, say, it different, you know.
I remember one time they were interviewing this guy and I'm asking, where is Jamaica? And him says, it's a country in Africa.
Yeah, even that. And then Caribbean is Jamaica. And there's the people don't know nowhere else. Like, where is Barbados? A place in Jamaica, may I say? Well, you can call it that, you know.
Yeah,
so yeah, so the Caribbean surname is Jamaica and the world surname is Jamaica.
All right.
There's no other country that is more popular than Jamaica. Name the country, then I beg you do. Yeah.
Oh man, serious thing. I remember once somebody even mentioning that there was a government paper that was written what said Jamaica should, what they propose is that Jamaica should always promote itself as a cultural superpower.
That's for real. We are because pieces of our culture is splintered all over many other countries.
Yeah, man.
Especially Asian countries, places like Japan. You're going to see well-labeled asham in the airport. Wing ching pong pong chung pong pong asham. For sale. You know what I mean? Coconut drops. Wong chung kung kung chung kung coconut drops. For sale. Big business employ people.
Yeah, man.
Yes. And me think if Jamaica, Caribbean and the same West Africa that we make mention, we have similar ways moods how we behave with day to day. We once, we stand up, we act, we laugh, we talk, we crack the same joke. I think if we merge, like, remember, West Africa is about 3 hours away from Jamaica. You see? But when you go into West Africa, you might have to go to Belgium and then you might have to go...
Take the long route.
Take the long route. Let me tell you the route now. You might have to go to England. The original long-time route, when people never know the routes, you go to England, then to Greece, then to Rome, then to Africa. Now, what we do when we go into West Africa, we fly from anywhere in Europe to Casablanca, Morocco. And Morocco airport is like a gateway somewhere to
Africa.
To West Africa, west.
Okay.
Seeing? But from them time, I traveled 2 years ago to Africa. I think now it changed because Ghana a little bit more open and some other countries in Africa a little bit more. So things kind of change.
Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525. Welcome back, viewers. All right, we're in the last segment of the interview, and there's a question I wanted to ask, but it slipped me. I like asking my interviewees this question. If you had a choice of persons to do a collaboration with, who out there you would like to do a collaboration with?
Tracy Chapman.
All right. Tracy Chapman, you heard it.
Yeah, Tracy Chapman, you done that, so.
Right. Luton Fyah make you know, say, he would like to do a collaboration.
I want to sit down with Mama Tracy and laugh in her face and talk and glad and give her a hug and sing.
All right.
You understand?
All right.
Yeah, that I want to do.
Cool. Now, is there a message you have for your fellow entertainers in the reggae music fraternity? Is there something that you see that you want to make a comment about, something you'd like to say to them?
I would say in music we have to admire each other work because it takes a lot from each and every one of I and I to do what we do. So when a man come out with something, admire it. We need to start buy each other album. We need to start share each other posts. We need to start produce songs together. We need to start like each other posts also, follow each other and respect the work what each and every one of we do. Because we have to admire the greatness, you know, and we are all great people, you know what I mean? So does that may have to say to artists, just start looking to yourself and remember where you're coming from and know. Remember how you feel when you were trying to make it. And know, say, people have similar feeling. And it was a up and down feeling mix up at the time. So you have to just know, say, man been there and done that and face a lot of struggle. So I just maximum respect right across the board.
Okay.
Yeah.
From your perspective, tell me if you were putting together a song list, right? With none of them are your songs, you know, but songs that you hear from other local artists. Tell me a couple of songs, 3 or 4 songs that you would.
You have a song where Proto J sing, we say, we call it Operation Police Lockdown Operation. That's one of my lifetime favorite. Song, you know. Because I don't know, we love when Babylon get born, you know? Right. Born the slave establishment. Seeing that song that kind of summarize them. That one. I have a song with name Putting Up a Resistance by Barry Salmon. One of my favorite songs that also. And I got another favorite song by Bob Marley. We call We'll Be Forever Loving Jah. We'll be forever.
Yeah. 3. One more now. Give me one more.
One more. I couldn't just. I have a lot of favorite songs, man. Okay. A lot more favorite songs. You know?
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Well, no. Is there something you have to say to your fan base?
Yeah, I would want to say thank my people for loving Luton Fyah music. Thank that's all those who follow my music and follow me on social media, which is Luton Fyah music on IG, Anthony, Luton Fyah Martin on Facebook, and Luton Fyah 1 on Twitter. You can find me on IG, Luton Fyah music, Anthony Luton Fyah Martin on Facebook, and Luton Fyah 1 on Twitter. Thanks for supporting me, and I'm always glad for your support, because without you, I am nothing. Blessed love, enough respect. Everything is about you, my people, my fans, the people who sing along, share along, and like along. Blessed.
What is next for Luton Fyah? What Luton Fyah is looking to do in the... Yes, you're into the JCDC competition right now, but separate and apart from that, what projects you have coming up? What?
Well, after the festival, which I go end about 2-3 weeks from now, or 2 weeks from now, we have plans to move forward, you know, for going to America, go sit down and complete the album work.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have an album coming out?
The album putting together, you know, not coming out. It not reach coming out stage, it reach putting together stage.
Right. Give you a timetable. December?
It not reach that stage. It not reach coming out stage. It reach putting to go, working on it, you know. We're trying to do it for next year.
Okay.
Next year, 2022.
Okay.
You know, see it. Because if you notice, all of the past 18 months, things kind of squeeze up. So man kind of release the album on the timing for catch certain time. So right now we are watch the time and kind of brace ourselves, make all of the man them with on timing, drop them thing and we just drop our thing in at the right time. You know what I mean? Yes, I.
Well, Luton Fyah, Reggae Citi, which is, you know, Father Desi and myself.
Yes, I.
Very grateful that you could pass through the studios.
Enough respect.
There's an open invitation whenever you want to pass back through.
Yes, sir.
And right now, we're looking forward to a nice, we're going to a quick break. We're looking forward to a nice, we know say you're on our schedule, but we are looking forward to a nice, where you said there's a 15, you can do 15 minutes.
No, I can't give more than 5, brother. One song.
No, man, you can't do the public that, man. Give it 10.
One song, job, me not do performance like that, job.
Okay. Well.
Pay, me get paid. Me must say me not big and rich like the rest of man them. Every time I sing, me forget money, brother.
I understand. Well, we are deep.
And I don't want to go about and sing on camera. And I'm not the owner of that.
Material.
That is the point, really.
Okay.
So I don't do jingle, I don't do, yo, Luton Fyah say next week, the 27th, favor you want to go around yourself. Me not do them sitting there. Nobody can catch me on camera and go with it.
All right.
I'm not a part of that. You can't bring it to Chronics. You can't bring it to Buju. So don't bring it to me, please.
Point taken, sir. All right.
Cause
So
they
just
can't have a
one
DJ like me and them are gonna run you. I'm a bad on them.
All right, sir. Point taken. All right. So we're going for a quick break, and so just 5 minutes. Eh?
Open up, put.
No, we can chop it up, man.
Chop out the artist names.
No worry, man. No worry. We don't do that. At the end of the day, this is supposed to be a strength to the thing.
I know, so we can do it. It's a song where people favorite song. You can't have 2 million views and never sing.
All right.
So it really makes sense.
All right. Go to a break, then come back. Do you need your wedding videotaped? Do you need a commercial or an interview done? Then call Sunshine Video Production. We videotape and edit functions, graduations, stage shows, music videos, and even funerals. We have a video studio and offer help with your marketing and promotional planning. So WhatsApp or call us at 883-0525.
Yeah. Think on Luton Fyah alongside Reggae Citi. Flavor unit, I got a boom, Jana herb, some west. Cocos bag of weed, and the eye 8 cents. 10 cigar, liquor like a box cigarette. Now go back to me, tell you, see me upset me chest. Oh yes, nothing but nice like a sweet time. Early in the morning, we speak to you, yes. Nothing but nice like a sweet time. Early in the morning, keep over the ashtray, search the window pane. Pick down every cup back with the crumbs every time. Tear down the kitchen and you should have seen me veins. We get a draw before the sun away. Some split here together as early as the baby. But I of them knows aroma was bright. Just cross the face, I said they will want to taste. We keep them in our breakfast plates. In my kitchen, walk on that boy down to custard. I got Pennsylvania, Reggae Citi songs. Oh yes, nothing but nice like a sweet time. Early in the morning you miss sweet time. Yes, nothing but nice like a sweet time. Early in every morning. This a Rasta smoke a lot. Can't get enough of the weed. We overcross. Mentalist make out a coconut. The Westmoreland green, the low desert. See them live on the farm. But the suit, the Californian green grow on the land. Up from me billas, straight to sleep me drop. In the morning me wake me go light it back. Walk on that way down to custard. I got sense of me for breakfast. So me know that I have bash in me neighbor. Pull up. Make up flavor unit. Big up Reggae Citi. Big up Spanish Town, St. Jacob de la Vega. Living in that time where anything comes. Can't know your friend, them different from folks. And it's a crazy world where no one knows. You enjoy your time, no. In St. Jacob de la Vega. Man walk the street with guns loud, hustling food to put them out. De la Vega, it's St. Nancy Downs, who can't get away from coming and shout. St. Jacob de la Vega, home of the first capital, they call it Edman Town. St. Jacob de la Vega, hey, St. Jacob de la Vega. Get no seat, one heap of them can't believe. And no say Rastafari right now, inside the young, they peak in their knees. One heap of them can't believe, yeah, me see them can't believe, alright. But I'm no vex them, I just surprise them when they realize Reggae Citi we still live out. Look see everything with them around, yeah, them realize. You see the dingy man I make a shot in a me robe and me turban and me slanders, hey. I sense in on me bag, man I go let me rad. Red, gold and green flag them say me mad. Rasta keep it humble like a lamb, man I vegetable beyond. Man I go down my me go and show the pan the land. No call when no color pigmentation. I just drop a bomb, hey. I no vex them, I just surprise when them realize. Flavor unit still the boat. Look see everything yes them around. Pull up. No respect in every aspect. Big up Reggae City. Big up Flavor Unit. Give thanks to life again. Big up. Take a walk. Take a walk. Go to the bus stop. Take the red bus so you can load on the top. When you reach on the bus, ask the Mad Max. Then if you can hear the secret spot, in case you don't ask, let me tell you what. When I see it at the window, you sit down and watch. Make sure you come out for the first bus stop. You go down and go further, you see one little shop. Go along further, you see a dirt shop. Now take the dirt shop, go on that hilltop. Right for your man and sell Jelly Court now. No go left, no go right, and no bother turn back. Go along straight ahead till you reach on the top. When you reach on the flat, boy, pop off your knife. Pick up a big stone and ready for your fight. Cause some dog down there, then we kill you with bite. Bite out your head side, was on if a night now. Take the left, make the first right, make the next turn and the first stop light. You go see a big stool and a height and pipe and a big sign mark vegetarian around the light. I know, that's how we live. Go down further, past the ball field and you cross the gutter. Go down straight ahead and then reach a center. You go see a high fence with paper wire. Not take that way there, like they want a danger. You go see a cane piece and a cow pastor. Take the cane piece that way the shorter you can. Now sugar cane because them sweet like sugar. And chill for a while cool off your temper. Then you see a sign mark to enter. Put on your shoes and your everybody want to know where we live. See where we try but them not know where we live. Take it ferry come a Central Village. Then a Vega whole iron bridge. Everybody want to know where we live. See where we try but them not know where we live. Take it ferry come a Central Village. Enough respect. Give thanks. The nice life that's return. Early in the morning. Keep over the ashtray, search the window pane. Tick down every cup back with the crumbs every sign. Tear down the kitchen and you should have seen me veins. They get that shot before the sun away. Some split here together as early as the baby. And but long of them knows aroma was bright. Just cross the face, I said they will want a taste. Picky them in a breakfast plate. In the my kitchen. Boil down to custard. I got Pennsylvania. Reggae City songs. Oh yes, nothing the nice like us retain. Early in the morning you miss 15. Yes, nothing the nice like us retain. Early in the morning. This is a Rasta smoke a lot. Can't get enough of the weed. We overcross. Man can list make out a coconut. The Westmoreland green, the low desert. See them, live on the path. Body suit, the anti-Californian green grow and the lamp. Up from me, be last straight to sleep me drop. In the morning, me wake me go like.